Ciao and welcome to Italofonia. I'm Daniela and I'm going to be your Italian language trainer today. Italian language is a phonetic one, which means that every written symbol corresponds to a sound. So it's easy to know how any Italian word sounds like based on the way it's written. Iniziamo. Let's get started. L'alfabeto, the alphabet. The Italian alphabet is composed of 21 letters, 16 consonants and 5 vowels. Le vocali, the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Now I'll teach you a word for each letter. Don't worry about the pronunciation right now. A, acqua. B, bocca. C, cielo. D, donna. E, esempio. F, fratello. G, gioco. H, hotel. I, isola. L, luna. M, madre. N, naso. O, occhio. P, padre. Q, quaderno. R, risposta. S, sorella. T, tavolo. U, uomo. V, vacanza. Z, zaino. You must have noticed a couple of things. The first thing is that H, lettera H, letter H, is silent. In fact, you heard me saying, instead of hotel, I said hotel. This means that H is the only letter in the Italian alphabet which is silent, so it doesn't make any sound. The second thing you must have noticed is that I didn't mention J, K, W, or Y. It doesn't mean we don't use them. It means that they are not part of our alphabet, but when we need to mention those letters, we call them like this. J is called J or I lunga. K is called K. W is W or W. Y is called Y or Y. Okay, now I'll be talking about some tricky sounds we have in Italian language. Letter C, when it's followed by A, O, U, or H plus E or H plus I, makes this sound. Ca, co, cu, che, chi. So it's a hard sound. When C is followed by E or I, it becomes che, chi. So the sound gets softer. So again, ca, co, cu, che, chi, or che, chi. The same principle applies to the G letter, lettera G. Ga, go, gu, ge, gi, ge, gi. Letter Q. Letter Q is very easy to pronounce. Just remember that after letter Q, you always find a U to support. So it would be qua, que, qui, quo. We don't have Q in Italian, so that's enough. The rolling R R. So the Italian R is very different from the English one. In English we say R, in Italian we say R. So your tongue is basically vibrating. So it's Ra, Re, Ri, Ro, Ru. Don't worry if you cannot do it properly right now. It takes a little bit of practice. In Italian, some couples of different consonants create specific sounds. For example, G plus N. In English, you would read it as gn. In Italian, it's gn, gna, gne, gni, gno, gnu. In Spanish, there is something really similar to this. The next couple of consonants is GL, L, L. GL always wants E afterwards. So we have LA, LE, LI, LIO, U. Now let's talk about S plus C. With this couple of consonants, we have the same principle as we have with C letter. So basically, ska, sko, sku, ske, ski, she, she. We also have SCE plus A, O or U. Sha, sho, shu. So I hope this video was helpful. Write me down any question you have. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. And I'll see you next time. Ciao!